I am happy today. Are you happy today? I am not happy today. I am learning English. Am I learning English? I am not learning English. I speak English. Do I speak English? I don't speak English. I am ready. Are you ready? I am not ready. My name is Sarah. Is my name Sarah? My name is not Sarah. I am from USA. Am I from USA? I am not from USA. I love to ride my bike. Do I love to ride my bike? I don't love to ride my bike. I enjoy going to park. Do I enjoy going to park? I don't enjoy going to park. My favorite meal is pizza. Is pizza my favorite meal? My favorite meal is not pizza. I like to drink coffee in the morning. Do I like to drink coffee in the morning? I don't like to drink coffee in the morning. She walks her dog every evening. Does she walk her dog every evening? She doesn't walk her dog every evening. We usually go grocery shopping on Saturdays. Do we usually go grocery shopping on Saturdays? We don't usually go grocery shopping on Saturdays. He always arrives on time for work. Does he always arrive on time for work? He doesn't always arrive on time for work. They enjoy watching movies together. Do they enjoy watching movies together? They don't enjoy watching movies together. The sun shines brightly in the afternoon. Does the sun shine brightly in the afternoon? The sun doesn't shine brightly in the afternoon. I eat breakfast every day. Do you eat breakfast every day? I don't eat breakfast every day. She dances gracefully. Does she dance gracefully? She doesn't dance gracefully. We usually take a walk after dinner. Do we usually take a walk after dinner? We don't usually take a walk after dinner. I will be your friend. Will you be my friend? I will not be your friend. Today is the 1st of November. Is today the 1st of November? Today is not the 1st of November. I saw a bear today. Did I see a bear today? I didn't see a bear today. She is in her room. Is she in her room? She is not in her room. I have a few questions. Do I have a few questions? I don't have a few questions. I like her too. Do I like her too? I don't like her either. It is sunny outside. Is it sunny outside? It's not sunny outside. I really like it here. Do I really like it here? I don't really like it here. We usually take a walk after dinner. Do we usually take a walk after dinner? We don't usually take a walk after dinner. He plays the guitar very well. Does he play the guitar very well? He doesn't play the guitar very well. I always brush my teeth before bed. Do you always brush your teeth before bed? I don't always brush my teeth before bed. The flowers bloom beautifully in spring. Do the flowers bloom beautifully in spring? The flowers don't bloom beautifully in spring. She sings in the shower. Does she sing in the shower? She doesn't sing in the shower. We usually have pizza on Fridays. Do we usually have pizza on Fridays? We don't usually have pizza on Fridays. He exercises regularly. Does he exercise regularly? He doesn't exercise regularly. They often go for a hike on weekends. Do they often go for a hike on weekends? They don't often go for a hike on weekends. The cat sleeps on the windowsill. Does the cat sleep on the windowsill? The cat doesn't sleep on the windowsill. I wake up early every morning. Do I wake up early every morning? I don't wake up early every morning. I enjoy my morning coffee. Do I enjoy my morning coffee? I don't enjoy my morning coffee. I have a fulfilling job. Do I have a fulfilling job? I don't have a fulfilling job. I spend quality time with my family. Do I spend quality time with my family? I don't spend quality time with my family. I eat a balanced and healthy diet. Do I eat a balanced and healthy diet? I don't eat a balanced and healthy diet. I learn something new every day. Do I learn something new every day? I don't learn something new every day. I am grateful for what I have. Am I grateful for what I have? I am not grateful for what I have. I have a comfortable home. Do I have a comfortable home? I don't have a comfortable home. I have a reliable mode of transportation. Do I have a reliable mode of transportation? I don't have a reliable mode of transportation. I am financially stable. Am I financially stable? I'm not financially stable. I have a positive outlook on life. Do I have a positive outlook on life? I don't have a positive outlook on life. I am always striving to improve myself. Am I always striving to improve myself? I'm not always striving to improve myself. I have a good work-life balance. Do I have a good work-life balance? I don't have a good work-life balance. I have learned a lot today. Have I learned a lot today? I haven't learned a lot today.